So the movie starts.
Okay.
Movie starts.
Yeah.
Starts off on the docks.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, I thought I was watching Transformers with the intro with the logo popping up, but
it had a little Michael Bay flavor.
Yeah.
With the intro. But it starts out at the docks. I can't remember if it was daytime or nighttime, but regardless,
it was daytime.
Which is a weird time to have a crime. So it cuts to, and I have to pause the movie in the first 15 seconds because the movie starts off with like a shipping container that's filled with Panasonic VCR TV combos. And I even looked it up. It was their Panasonic 20-inch TV VCR combos, PV M930. So I was just like, okay, all right.
We gotta check it out. Okay.
So remember that model number because I'm pausing it and I'm counting it. I was like, okay, you got DVD players, you got VCR combos, you got camcorders.
Mm-hmm.
So the next shot is a stevedore on his phone, on his flip phone, mind you, telling some dude, "Oh man, I got a real money load here." So I'm just like, all right, money load. So I jump on eBay and I'm typing in the, combo PV M930 Panasonic. And the average sold price today is $34. So I estimated, okay, there's 100 boxes in there. There's $3,400 worth of material in there. What's this guy calling?
Yeah.
I mean, when you think payoffs, how much of that $3,400 is this guy getting?
Right.
And then how many other, you got the truck driver to pay, you've got the crane operator, I mean, you got the security guards. After all said and done, man, I mean, unless you're handing out these combos as
Yeah.
Dude, that was just the first thing that I noticed, and I was just like, it's gonna be a good movie.
Yes.
Just packed up a real money load and it's coming your way. Look for Rogers on the side of the truck. Don't forget my share of the deal.
Yeah,
so anyway, I guess it makes sense now. He makes the cauldron today, but like any good criminals, they wait until nighttime and cut to the next shot, which just made me laugh out loud, which is it's nighttime on the docks.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And you've got these 3 Ninja Honda Civics that come pulling up.
Yep.
I mean, why make a car? So there's 3 Ninja Honda Civics that come out, all blacked out tint. They've got this neon green.
Yes,
LCDs,
that's what we were saying too.
LEDs underneath, glowing. Just
yes.
Yeah. That's pretty inconspicuous, guys.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Let's hide. Let's hide out in plain sight. I know.
Just chasing this one truck full of VCR combos, and I mean, they do cool stuff. I mean, they climb out with harpoon guns while wearing motocross helmets, which makes no sense. I mean, I'm gonna wear a helmet that you can see my entire face.
Yeah. It was the safety for jumping from the car to the truck. With that, and the guys, I don't know, the guy's name was Mike White, the truck driver. I think he did a really good job of passing out after getting shot with a dart gun. guys have dart guns.
So yeah, so
With the
they've got
fuzzy
like
end.
Batman technology,
Yes.
basically, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So these goons with the motocross helmet shoot the truck with a harpoon gun, multiple harpoons.
Yes.
And it makes like a tether line for them to climb onto the truck while everybody's still moving and stuff.
The grappling hook.
It's total grappling hook action. But the goon climbs into the truck, and yeah, he's getting beaten with. I thought the driver was hitting the goon with an axe, and I was like, This truck driver is hitting a guy with an axe. I forgot that's the kind of movie that we're gonna watch. But it was a baseball bat, and I forgot that this movie has absolutely no blood until maybe the end of the movie. I think they had a limit to how much blood they could use. So
Yes.
oh yeah, so you get shot with this Bruce
PG-13,
Wayne,
that's why.
like he like I feel like Morgan Freeman made this dart gun, but like it's just like this. It's like this T1000 that just like knocks the driver out. Yeah. So
yeah, but he did a good job. He just was like passing out, you know.
Yeah, props to Mike White. Yeah, it's impressive that you got the driver's name. And I feel like this was the first movie that I've seen where a car drives under the trailer of a truck, and it's been imitated many times since then. So yeah, that props to the movie. That was super cool when the Honda goes under the trailer and it switches over to the other side. They do it another time in the movie later on, but
so I don't think that I really wish, because when I first saw that was like my favorite part, because I wanted to try that so bad. But I don't think there are any cars / truck combo where that's possible, is there? Where it's possible to drive?
You know, when I saw it, I was just like, I don't know if there's that much clearance under the container trucks, but
apparently. I'm just gonna live the dream.
There were a lot of things going on. Yeah, it was Hollywood.
But I always wanted to do that.
Truck driver happens. VCRs are stolen. It's like the crime of the century. I mean, I thought I was watching Heat for a second, but